What is going on, guys? Sir Lewis here, the YouTuber to invest to rest, with the latest crypto videos. And in today's video, I'll be showing you guys here how to get free Cardano with this amazing app called Celsius. And if you still don't have this app, I'm gonna leave my referral code in the description and pinned comment below. And if you use my referral code and you put in HODL50 in the promo section when you sign up, and then after you send over more than $400 worth of crypto over to your Celsius in 1 month, you'll get $50 free worth of Bitcoin. And on top of that, you're going to be earning a yield on that Bitcoin plus your other cryptos that you send. So definitely sign up, use my referral code in the description below. But in today's video, I'll be showing you guys here how to use the latest promo code that Celsius have given to the customers step by step with the details, and there's many important things too that you guys got to know, and I'll be talking about it in this video and showing you guys here step by step on how to do this and get this free Cardano. The two promo codes are ADA500 and ADA40. And the way that this works is that if you deposit at least $400 worth of ADA, okay, for ADA40, you'll get $40 worth of ADA, okay, after the lock period 1 month. Now this is a very important detail that I want to let you guys know here, and this is important, and I'm happy that you guys are watching my video because this also works for the referral promotion as well for the $50 worth of Bitcoin. And the detail is that when you put in $400 worth of ADA or of your other crypto, for that entire month it has to be over $400 worth. So let's say ADA goes down in value, and then that 400 worth of ADA goes to like 350 or 380. Okay, by the end of that month, you're not going to get that $40 free worth of ADA. So what I recommend to do, and what I did for my promotion when I first got into Celsius, I put in way over the amount that they asked for. So during the entire month, whether it's volatile or not, I'll still be getting that free money, that free crypto once that lock period is done. And the other one is ADA500, and this is basically for the people that got $20,000 in ADA. Okay, put in $20,000 in ADA, send it to Celsius. After 3 months, you'll get $500. So me, I don't have 20K worth of ADA, but I do have at least 400. So I'll be showing you guys here how to do that one, but it works the same way with the other ones. I'm gonna leave these promo codes in the description below, as well as the referral one. And you can just look in the menus and look for Cardano, and it'll show you the promo code for it. And you just copy and paste that promo code. Okay, then we're gonna go to our Celsius app right over here. Click on the profile here at the top right and go to the menu, and we're going to press here on promo codes, as you guys can see, and we're going to press enter a promo code. And then here we're going to copy and paste the promo code that we want to do. In my case, it's ADA40. Congrats, you successfully activated your promo code. Transfer $400 or more in ADA to Celsius account and receive $40 in ADA. Alright, great. So done. You activated. That's the first step, activating it. The next step is transferring it to Celsius. And you want to follow this step by step, because this can be a little tricky and confusing, especially for crypto beginners out there that are just getting into crypto. So what you want to do is you want to go to where you have your Cardano. Maybe you have it on Coinbase Pro, right? You bought it on Coinbase Pro or Binance or wherever you bought your Cardano, wherever you're holding your Cardano, you want to go there. In my case, I'm holding my Cardano in this app called Exodus. Okay, I have it right over here. So this works for all apps out there, the same steps. It works for Coinbase Pro, Binance, wherever you're holding your Cardano. You want to click on your Cardano, and somewhere it's going to say deposit or withdraw. In my case, I want to withdraw my Cardano. So in Exodus, it's right over here. It's this one right here, out. You see this arrow going out. That's the withdraw. So I'm going to click right there, and it says send. So after you click the withdraw button on whichever exchange that you hold your Cardano, then you're going to want to put the amount that you want to send over to Celsius. Right here, I can put it based on ADA, or I could put it in US dollars. I'm going to be putting here at least $900 worth of Cardano. Okay, I'm going to press enter. And then right here, this is the most important part, because if you guys do this wrong, you can lose all your funds basically, and you can lose all your money. So this right here, tap to paste the address. This is the address that you're sending your Cardano to. Okay, and to find this, we're going to go back to our Celsius app. Where we find this address is right here. You're going to click on receive coins right over here. Click on that, and the first one that's going to pop is Ethereum. But we don't want to send Ethereum, we want to send Cardano. So what we're going to do is we're going to click right over here where it says Ethereum. Click on that, and we're going to scroll down to Cardano. As you guys can see, it's right here. Click on that. Awesome. It says only send Cardano 88 to this address. using Cardano blockchain. Okay, so you can only send 88 to this address. Now this is the super most important part. What you guys want to do is not try to type this or anything. You want to click copy. Okay, very important. Click copy, and it says right there, address copy to clipboard. Great. Then you want to go back here to your other app, and you want to paste it right there. Boom, I just clicked it and paste it. To yours might say, you might click it and you gotta click paste, something like that. You know, I just pasted it. Then next thing you guys want to do is press send. Obviously you can go back and forth and just double check the address to make sure. It says right here, this is the network fee, and it says sending to this address. Let me just double check here, okay, because I can go back and forth. And yeah, it looks like the right ad. Slide to transfer. Success. Cardano sent. Press continue, and it just went through. Just give it a few minutes, give it a few seconds. We can actually go right here on Google and search up here, how fast does Cardano transfer? And it says right here, estimated time is usually 10 minutes. So do not get freaked out if your Cardano isn't there in like 3 minutes, 5 minutes, because it says right here, the estimated time for Cardano to get there is at least 10 minutes, right? Alright guys, so I'm back, and finally, it actually took less than 10 minutes. Alright, my Cardano is here. As you guys can see, I sent over $900 worth of Cardano, and now it's $899. But obviously, most likely, based on the price, is going to be way over $400 throughout this month. So one of the important details too that I forgot to say in the beginning, but I would just say now, is obviously how much yield am I going to earn on my Cardano in the Celsius app, right? How much am I gonna get for holding Cardano here? And let me just show you guys, if you just click on reward rates right over there, it'll show you the yield for all of the cryptos here on Celsius. And for Cardano, you'll earn 4.06%, and this is the APY yearly, and you'll basically get paid weekly based on that APY, which is 4.06%. Now, obviously, this isn't the highest one. I think Exodus and Yori Wallet, something like that, they offer like 5%. But that is staking, right? This is different from staking. This is, you're basically lending it. So you're earning yield based on lending it compared to staking. And also on top of that, you're going to earn this week. So the question too is, how do you know that it worked, right? All you got to do is click right here on the Cardano that you sent. Click on it. You scroll down, and it should say right here, promo code locked, $40. Okay, you click on that, and here it has the details. It has the date that you sent it, and it also has the time and the promo code. And from that date and time, it should be 1 month exactly that you'll get your free Cardano, the $40 worth of Cardano for holding it here on Celsius. And on top of that, throughout the month, you'll get the APY, right, the 4% that you get yield on your Cardano for holding it on Celsius. So yeah guys, that's how you get free Cardano for this amazing Celsius promo code. Definitely check it out. Use my referral code in the description below. Okay, I'm also going to leave the promo codes in the description below if you guys want to copy and paste it and all that. Check out my Facebook group, free Facebook group, also on Reddit, and definitely check out my Patreon as well. So thank you guys again, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.